guys calling them out. Bees. These Banes coming? They love them some fucking bees. Here comes the Rottweiler, you guys. I told you he would be coming, didn't I? Yeah. Bees, they love bees. What's up, man? He's right here. Beast is over here.
Oh, hi, little dog.
That's Ginger. Come here, Ginger. Ginger. Come here, Ginger. Ginger. Out of the street. That's Ginger. She's a little pit bull.
What's a pit bull?
Yeah, American pit bull. What's up, Bane? Watch out for my neighbor.
Oh my God!
This is Bane, you guys. I told you he'd be coming out.
Big body Bane.
They got Bane. They got, trust me, they got him under control. Yeah, big body Bane, huh, man?
Big body B.
Is it a boy?
It's a girl. Her name is Ginger. It's their dog.
How old is
I'm doing
5 months.
I'm doing her like how Bane helped Beast when he was with her. Bringing her out of her shell, giving her somebody to play with. Because you know Bane was like Beast's first friend around here.
I remember when he was
When he was a baby.
Hey, baby. Oh, hi. Hi, Mama.
That's Ginger.
Ginger be jumping a lot.
Right? Ginger loves to jump on everyone.
But you guys are good.
A puppy like Bane. Oh, he's so big.